Hey guys, welcome to
Taste of Home.
Yes, thank you for watching the last episode. It really did well.
Yes, on our last video we did show you how we acquired a rundown property and how we made it into our dream home. In today's video we'll be doing a follow-up video regarding that whole project that we did.
Yes, and we're gonna show you the details of challenges we faced and where we needed to do some improvisation.
Yes.
And let's hope you enjoy this one.
Absolutely, I hope you will enjoy, and please don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit the thumbs up.
Yes. Enjoy. One thing about acquiring a rundown property is there is always lots of challenges. One of them was the ceiling. So the property had a leaking ceiling, and it's something that we were not expecting. Okay, this is our roof, guys. The cause of the leaking was the geyser which was in the ceiling. So that should be the geyser, right? A new geyser was installed, and the next thing was to install a new ceiling in the bedroom and the bathroom as they were affected. Okay. Oh, it's already done. Oh, okay. This is the bathroom. Okay. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, we couldn't repaint the ceiling or reuse the ceiling boards because they were beyond damage, and this is the rubble. So this is basically our ceiling, and look at the dust that accumulated over the years. Yep, and we've been breathing this kind of dust. I don't know, just saying stuff for this video. We installed new ceilings in the bedroom and in the bathroom, and this is how it looked like. This part is when we were implementing the open plan kitchen plan. There was so much dust and so much dirt. It was the most dirty part of the project. The walls were very hard to break. It's something that we definitely learned. Old buildings have very hard walls. Just to bring memory, this was the wall that was being worked on to create an open plan. As we waited for the new kitchen installation, this is how our kitchen setup was. Then a day before the installation, we removed everything in the kitchen and left it empty. This was also after the electric wiring was redone. Then they began installing the new kitchen. We opted for the granite countertop, and here outside they were busy shaping where the sink was going to be placed. We had opted for the undermount sink, and they didn't know the size we had chosen, and hence they had to cut the stone on site. It was quite exciting to see the whole process, and these guys are professionals. So they will cut the stone, they will measure, or first of all they will measure the stone, and then they will cut. After that they will polish the stone, everything there like on site. It was quite a nice sight to see. Mind you, the countertop stone is very heavy. They're actually helping each other lift that up. Just by looking from a distance, it looks very small, but it's surprisingly very heavy. After they were done cutting, they were now polishing it up so that the edges are very smooth. This was quite a nice process to see. And this was the end product, so nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm looking forward to enjoying this kitchen. Another challenge we faced was the issue of privacy. In our bedroom, on the left side, there was no wall between us and our neighbor. On the right side, there was a wall, which was not a problem. This is just to show you how low the wall was between us and our neighbors, and we could literally see their window there, and there was definitely no privacy at all. It was so easy for anyone to climb over, including the kids. I remember one morning we were woken up by our neighbor's kid, and they wanted to simply just come and play. The kids loved the balcony a lot, but it posed a danger as there was a possibility that they might fall over, you know, when kids are playing. We ended up adding a wall just for the safety of the kids. So this clip is just showing how much the kids loved playing on the balcony, and no matter how much we tried to tell them not to, they still played on the balcony. I just come back from a trip, and yeah, I was just looking, just seeing.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're busy playing with your friend.
In the backyard, we also had a security issue because the fence that were in between us and the neighbors was also broken. Sometimes it was hard to have a special moment in the garden, or sometimes we'd have people coming to the house without your knowledge because there were spaces for them to come through, even though the gate was closed. This pushed us to build walls, and this is after we had finished building on the balcony. We also saved a tree. Whilst the garden was still bad, we also decided to add in a fish tank and also an aquaponics bed, but this will probably do it on another separate video. So on the front part of the property, it was very hard to do any adjustments, especially if you could see that there were some things that needed to be fixed, like that broken window, but it's something that we reported to the board and we were just waiting for them to respond and fix it. The only thing we managed to fix was to readjust the gate. As you can see, it was hard to park 2 cars on a narrow parking space. Yeah, in overall, it was quite a journey to get to a point where you are now in maintenance instead of fixing or, you know, trying to sort broken things, and eventually starting to enjoy the property.
Hope you enjoyed today's session, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Yes, see you in the next one.
Don't forget to
Like.
no, wait. Okay, you can say it now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
Peace. Thank you. That's it.